Hi, I'm Sarah Lilly. I grew up in Modesto, California, so I am thrilled to be joining Forum Health Modesto. My journey in healthcare started with a career as a registered nurse. In that setting, I often wanted to know my patients' health journey and whether there was anything that could have been done to prevent their current state of chronic disease. Over time, I realized I wanted to do more to help people get to the root of their health issues. That's what inspired me to become a physician assistant and to eventually focus on functional medicine. I'm passionate about empowering people to take charge of their health. My approach integrates lifestyle, nutrition, mindfulness with evidence-based practices. I have witnessed the profound impact of integrative medicine in my own life and in those of my patients. I am dedicated to promoting vitality and resilience in my patients so they can feel their best. My aim is to provide a patient-centered holistic approach to each individual I serve. Can't wait to see you.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Forum Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.